It might seem daunting to get into MetaSounds, but you don't need to be an audio engineer to work it. Here's a way to generate sounds yourself directly in Unreal Engine. Ensure you have the MetaSounds plugin turned on, after which right-click and create a MetaSound source. Let's check the basic one first. Think of this graph as a material editor, but for sounds. Important to note, to not deafen everyone, I lowered all the sounds in this tutorial to 0.2 volume. So, by default, you'll see these notes. I'll start with the simplest example, a sign. I already have this one with a tidy comment, so I'll take it. Then all you need to do to hear the sound is connect it to the out mono and press play or space. Very useful when experimenting with sounds, especially for someone that isn't versed in audio engineering such as myself, is using inputs. When creating inputs, just as a note, it might look different for you, such as having knob by default, but going into editor preferences, you can change that. I prefer slider as the default. These inputs will allow you to live edit your sound. Keep in mind, certain low frequencies are hard or impossible to hear. Moving on to the next example. For the pickup, still using sine, but with a bit of extra juice, such as the attack decay envelope, with looping on for fast adjustments when testing, and low frequency oscillator. As before, get creative with the sliders. Also cool to experiment with the MIDI note quantizer and changing to different scales. Don't forget, in the end, for the one-shot result to connect on finished. As for the laser, using a square generator since it's more fitted for the sharpness we need for this type of sound, and mixing it up with some low frequency noise. And lastly, the explosion, using noise and a bit of oscillating sine for extra crunchiness. Tune in every 2 weeks for more quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching.